Wow, such a perfect morning. So today is the boat build day, but right now it is very early. It's before 7 a.m. and me and Elvis like to get in some real early morning dives just down here, just down the road, because it's octopus season. We just like to get some footage while they're still here. There's really rare species, so we're gonna get in this dive, just the two of us, and then see what we can get. And then Elvis and Alex will go to the boat, and we got a lot of work going on today with the hull. So yeah, we better hurry up and get in the water. Got me some new shorts. Alright, let's get out of here. Truck looking good, but really need to put the roof on that thing. Twin tanks today.
Twin tank.
It's fun in the water, but damn, man.
Dude, one tank's about enough.
It's a lot. It's a lot to carry. Teamwork makes the dream work. You ready?
Yeah.
We gotta hurry up. Mark's got 3 students in a couple hours. We gotta go to the boat. Let's go do this dive, get some octopuses. What are you doing? You ready?
Can I go?
She's scared. You, Sharky.
Okay, come on.
Can I go what?
No, you can't go. Regulators check, air check, little weight pocket check, fins, boots,
Shells.
other camera, dive computers, mask. You ready?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, fins. All right. Long hose. Let me put mine on and I'll help you with checks. Good? Nice.
Super nice.
Octopuses. We got to get cleaned up and get to the boat now. And we have well, that was a good dive, and now we should have made a whole episode about that. We do that a lot, but it's nice to have an early morning dive to get woke up. But right now we're gonna go, and I got students in the classroom, and Elvis and Alex are gonna go to the shop, buy some more epoxy and stuff like that, and then get to the boat and film some progress and do some more stuff. So yeah, have fun.
Okay guys, today is the day. We got the tugboat behind us. We're getting rid of the boat. No, I'm just kidding. But we are here at the boat again, and you know, it's been a while since we've been here and made a video. we've been trying to plan out what we want to do next, but we are doing some smaller stuff before we get the engine in. So let's talk about that, shall we? Okay, so here on the back side of the boat, you know, I should really get all my boat terminology down, but the back side of the boat, we had this hole in all this this rod, so we took care of all of that, and we're gonna put that in. So we have to be there for that, and they are using copper nails, you know. Thank you very much. And I don't want a repeat of what happened in the previous videos, but we also brought them epoxy and stuff. It's currently low tide, which is good, or it's still going out because this low tide goes out pretty far. But yeah, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into today. Okay, sitting here currently in the engine bay, just reminiscing about the first time we got the boat and how it was all flooded down here, and here we are now, you know. Got the new engine coming, or it's not coming soon, but it's here, but we just have to figure out how to get it in. And like the scariest part is dropping it on the deck, you know, after we redo the floors. So I think we're gonna hold off on redoing the floors, and then I personally don't know what the plan is for the outriggers, you know. Justin, he's got it all down, you know, just waiting on the perfect time, you know. But yeah, it's been a trip. Oh my goodness. But the epoxy is gonna be used for the bottom side of the boat, so let's go show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so back to Justin's drywall analogy, where you know, putting it on or mudding it on, and then stripping it off and make sure it's nice and real smooth and good looking, you know, all the gaps and cracks are filled. That's basically our plan next. So they have started it a little bit, but they ran out of epoxy, you know. So here we are, and then we'd sand it down and then put our paints, you know. I'm not really informed on a lot of these things, you know. I'm just the camera guy. I just gotta be here, you know. But yeah, I don't know what color, but I saw a few designs and it's pretty cool, you know. It's definitely unexpected. So just wait for that. But yeah, I gotta do the inspection on this because we gotta get it done the right way. So let's get some close-ups on this, shall we? Okay, looking at this, there's definitely a lot of places. I'm pretty sure this is a spot they haven't sand down, because see that and then that, those are sand down spots. So we will talk to them, but I'm pretty sure this is just like a first little, I don't know what you'd call it, like a little skim coat. God, my terminology is so bad, or I have no idea what I'm talking about, but it's just like a light coat, you know, a light coating to get this all prepared. So, you know, we'll see. We will see indeed. But yeah, we'll definitely get all of this taken care of and sand it down real nice and smoothly before we do anything next. And then our biggest challenge is going to be the way we want to do our outriggers. Well, you know, I say biggest challenges a lot, but you know, outriggers, the floor, getting the engine in. So I don't know, you know, but definitely lots to come. You know, I kind of like the outriggers though. No, of course they're all old and torn up, you know, but gives us some character, you know. But we out on the water, we want to be looking like some what's the word, you know. Well, we want to be crazy, so when we pull up, everyone knows, rocking our flag and stuff, Like, damn. That's Critter Republic right there. You know, so when other people rent the dive boat when we're not using it, which is gonna be, we're gonna be using it a lot, you know. We got people coming in all the time. They're like, oh, you know, we want to do an Oppo trip, Oppo Island. When, where, can we do it? So once we finally get this boat on the water, Oppo trips all the time. You know, we'll see more action of me jumping off the roof. You know, that's probably how I'll enter anyway. Scuba tank, got my gear on, a giant stride from the roof. Video coming soon. All right, getting here directly under the, I don't know if you could see that, we did put a layer of epoxy as well, you know, just for that added insurance and safety. So we gotta smooth all of this down, and then we have to also get this part where they can't really get it because it's yeah, how are you supposed to get that, right? So we gotta work out a plan on that. But yeah, you know, we got so many things going on, you know, trying to do our intro to tech courses and all the rest of the TDI courses, you know, because we want to be able to teach that and offer those to people and stuff, because it's really cool and I feel so cool doing intro to tech, because I feel cool having 2 tanks on my back. So hopefully we can get some work done today, but it's not really looking that way, you know. Over here, I don't know what is it, like what it is over here though in Bais/Manhoyod. God, it's just so hot. Like anywhere else, it'd be fine, you know, but here, God, something about it here. It's so hot, you know. I'm not complaining or anything, but just stating the difference of temperatures. So yeah, hopefully we get some work done. But I'm gonna discuss with the boat builders just a little bit more and see what we can do today and see what we can accomplish. So unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna get any work done today because the boat crew, the boat builder crew, they like to work in the early mornings or late evenings, you know, when it's nice and cool, you know, the sun's not out, it's not hot, you know. So I don't think we're actually getting any work done today, but we got them the materials they need, and hopefully they will get it done soon. Or actually, there's really no time schedule for this, you know, as long as they do an amazing job, you know, and it's done the right way and the boat's secure, that's all that matters. But you know, we will be seeing a lot more soon, you know, once the time comes, you know, and this thing will be on the water. God, that's gonna be amazing. Another thing I forgot to mention is, remember this whole part? Remember? Do you remember? Did you guys watch the last video? Do you remember? You know what? Let me just pop it up on screen. But this whole part is done, you know, because it was rotten and it had some rot in there. And they took care of it. And then, as you saw a little earlier, we had that that little portion out of the floor. So we're not gonna finish that yet because we want to get the motor in first, and then after we get the motor in, we are gonna do the whole floor of the entire boat. So yeah, that's what I was just informed. So heck yeah, that's the plan. So definitely more to come. Another thing I forgot to mention, or I just didn't make clear, you know, hey doggy, what's up? But this is just like a little protective layer, you know. This isn't like the paint or primer or anything. This is just a an extra layer of protection, you know. This dog is crazy for sitting under this boat, but it's actually really nice and cold down here, you know. I could sleep here, but yeah, this is just a little extra layer of protection and stuff. So yeah, okay, so before we get back to Darwin, there's something we obviously have to check out first, so. Yeah, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at the progress he's made. You know? I mean, look at this thing. Got all the ribs in and stuff. Like, wow. This guy's really putting in the work, you know? And then there's this beast. Oh my goodness, you know, this appeared last time. Holy crap. Next boat coming soon. You know, but yeah, this guy's doing some real good work. Oh, it's really amazing. But with all that being said, let's get back to Darwin. See what Justin thinks of everything. So we'll see you then.
All right, so awesome progress on the boat today and the last few days. The epoxy is getting done right. They're sanding down the seams, making no bumps, making it nice and smooth. And yeah, I think next, so they're tearing apart just the back floor because we have to replace it because it got a hole in it straight from the bottom. But actually the hole actually came from, the hole got punctured from the mangroves during the typhoon, and then water and stuff got in there which rotted the wood, so that's why we got to redo that floor. But I think I kind of want to put in the new motor before they do the floor, just in case they drop it, because I still have, they're not worried about it, but I have no idea how they're gonna lift this giant motor up into the boat. So I don't really want to finish the floor until they do that, just in case they drop it. But now we gotta get the paint and stuff. I think we're gonna do the motor first because it's kind of a pain in the ass driving 2 hours every day each way to go film this boat and get it worked on and stuff. It'd be nice if we just got the motor in it, get it painted while it's in the air, and then drive it over here. I can park it right here in front of my office and be here every day. Then we can, I don't know if that's the plan yet, but that'd be nice. So anyways, in the next video, I think we're doing a shop update. We're doing a lot of upgrades on the shop and things like that. Of course, we have Elvis helping us. He's also filming underwater, doing a ton of courses, so we're filming those courses, and I'm taking some of the courses with him. And then we have our other apprentice, Misty. We're filming a whole ocean series with her, like interesting facts about different species and stuff like that. So a whole bunch of stuff going on. Of course, we got students in the water right now doing their open water course. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Another boat video coming real soon. See you.